Hi, welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagdish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and important levels to watch out for. Nifty opens around 19,520 on an intraday basis, attempts levels of 19,550 on a higher side to see supply overtaking the demand zones, selling intensified breaking below 19,450, 19,500 to slide below 19,300 zones to close at 19,280 on an intraday basis. Bank Nifty 2 opened testing levels of 43,800, couldn't held on to the levels and broke levels of 43,500 to slide below 43,200 to test 43,000 levels to close at 43,150. IT index 2 saw a sharp slide with cut of 1.9%. Overall, to summarize, all indices has been in a bear's grip with strong bear's grip which could lead index to lower levels too. Great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specific to build a long-term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Power of technical analysis. Want to learn and earn in stock markets with the pulse of and know the pulse of stock markets? Technical analysis help in understanding the pulse of the markets. Advanced technical analysis classes starts. Admissions are open. For details, do connect with us. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.